Afternoon. Welcome back to another altcoin season show. My name's Cameron at Traders Network Club, and today we are going to talk about the new executive order on cryptos that Biden released. And are cryptos going to go and pump soon? We're going to get right to that. So stick with me through this video and after this break, and we'll get right into it. All right, guys, welcome back to another altcoin season show. Hopefully, you guys are doing great. I'm doing good. So let's jump right into it, guys. As you know, yesterday there was an executive order that got released on cryptocurrencies. Okay, so Joe Biden released an executive order. So we're gonna just go through some of the key points in this executive order and just kind of summarize it down for you guys. Okay, so a lot of big things are gonna be happening in cryptocurrencies, guys. This year looks like they're taking a big move into regulating cryptocurrencies, and it's exciting. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of exciting crypto stuff going on this year. And we knew 2022 was going to be an exciting year, so we knew this was going to be the rebirth of this new financial system. Okay, so let's get right to it. So first key point is protecting consumers. Okay, now this is obviously a big thing. We want more security. Okay, obviously there's been some problems with people losing money. Okay, and we just want more security. Okay, that's very important. So I'm glad they topped that up. They talked about this. It was a huge topic that was brought up, that people have been complaining about this, and we just want more security with our exchange. Okay, so that's very important. Same thing with your people doing illegal, scamming people like that. So once again, another point to really propose security. Okay, and climate change, this is obviously not new. Okay, this is some old news. We all know about the new climate change, and they want to move to energy resources. Okay, so that's kind of like one of their biggest resources is to really push energy. Okay, that's obviously not old news. Okay, I mean, obviously it's not new news. This is old news. U.S. competitiveness. Okay, they want to start competing. Obviously, U.S. is not competing as good as we should be. We're a little behind than other countries with cryptocurrencies. So we want to move. We want to move ahead of the game. Okay, with the U.S. So you can see the edge over other countries when it comes to crypto development. So, I mean, this is very ideal, especially with China effectively banned cryptocurrency. So this can be a big asset for the U.S. Okay, and the digital dollar. So Biden, they want to explore their own digital version of a dollar. Okay, so what was crazy was Joe Biden announced to he ordered studies, uh, told a bunch of different agencies and stuff like that, and ordered studies to regulate cryptocurrencies. So they really are pushing us. Okay, this is not light. This is heavy. Okay, they're really trying to push us. So and I believe it even says that you too should bank digital currencies. Where is it? Biden isn't seeing whether the U.S. should launch its own digital currency, call the government to place urgency on research and development of a potential CBDC. Okay, so that could be huge. That could be huge, guys. So what's really going on with the market? Not much to really talk about the market, right? Nothing's really going on. If you look at my little crypto bubbles for the day, you can see the only thing that's really hitting is CTX. Okay, and Hex is doing good too. But CTX, man, took a huge pump. Look at this. Huge pump. So very interesting to see that. But other than that, most of these coins aren't doing good. Bitcoin is, I believe, like, am I freezing up? Like, All right, guys. Looks like just had a little connection issue, and it's just about to load up. Unbelievable. All right, guys. Stupid connection, right? Oh man. All right, looks like it just had to refresh. My browsers had a little connection problem. Hopefully, it should be all good to go now. Okay. Ridiculous. Anyways, back to where we were. Bitcoin about 7% down for the day. So right now it's not looking so good. So I popped up my Twitter right now. If you guys do follow us on Twitter, okay. Now I got my personal Twitter that I just kind of started posting or tweeting on it right now. But I mostly tweet on our Traders Network Club, okay? Traders Net. It's called actually Traders Net Club, not Traders Network. Traders Net Club. But if you ever want to follow us on Twitter, I post a lot of cool updates, news on cryptos, NFTs too, mostly cryptos all over our Twitter, okay? So you can go and follow us on Twitter, or you can follow my personal too, because what I do is I really retweet stuff from my personal account, okay? So if you go and check out, let's go home. Actually, sorry, let's go profile. So we just got some news. So the Turkey's economy minister met with citizens to discuss about Shiba, the adoption. Okay, crypto exchange FTX. Okay, it was a great exchange. That's one of the biggest exchanges we talked about during the Super Bowl ads, right? Remember that during the Super Bowl commercials? Has partnered with musical festivals Tomorrowland to integrate Web3 features into the festival. Okay, so this is metaverse festivals. Okay, we've talked about that. Trying to integrate, combine. So cool stuff for FTX, man. They're gonna change Web3 features for festivals. That's gonna be sick. Okay. Now, U.S. Senator Cynthia, okay, says bill to fully integrate crypto into financial system is almost ready. Okay, can you see everything starting to add up? Can you see the rebirth happening of cryptos? The financial system is coming, guys. It's coming, and I really believe we're gonna get a pump soon. I'm just looking at the market, which we're gonna get to right now. If we see the setup for these certain coins and Bitcoin, it's setting up to we're getting a huge pump soon. I believe it really. Yeah. So Biden's order misses the fact that the majority of crypto users are trying to make our financial system better. Okay, that's what Cynthia has had to say about Biden's executive order. So you can see what's going on here. Okay, now let's go pull up the charts. Okay, now if we look at Bitcoin, and we look at the daily chart, you can see we're in that lower range bound. Okay, we're definitely this range bound. So, like I said on Tuesday, same thing. Bitcoin, just a patient game right now. We're just waiting to see what Bitcoin does. Okay, we're waiting to see what Bitcoin does, and I believe they said their estimate their estimate prediction at the end of March and the beginning of April. They expecting Bitcoin to get to around 50,000. Okay, that's their estimate prediction, and they really getting that prediction from Coin Market Cap. Okay, if you go to Coin Market Cap, you can see their predictions on Bitcoin. So that's their prediction. Okay, and I not saying because they predict that that's what's going to happen, but I actually believe it is going to happen by doing my own research and and analyzing the market myself. I predict that too. So I believe the pump is coming soon. Okay. So if we just look at a few of these coins, XRP still doesn't want to break through that. Gala, okay, and I really love to talk about these play to earn coins. That's really all I really want to talk about, but I like to talk about other coins. But really my focus is on play to earn, because I believe that is the biggest asset to cryptos. Okay, I think play to earn is going to change the economy. Okay, and that's because I believe that jobs are going to be looking different in the future. Okay, so anyways, Gala looks like it's a breakthrough right here, guys. This is a breakthrough trend. We're waiting for price to break through this trend line. It's not. It's testing this support right here. Hopefully, we don't break through support. I don't think that's going to happen. I believe we're going to get a breakthrough upside. Okay, I believe an upside breakthrough is going to happen. Same thing with mana. Okay, same thing with mana. Are we? I'm very excited to see, guys, and you can see it looks like by next week or in 2 weeks, we're gonna see some of these coins make some moves. Okay, we're gonna see some of these coins make some moves. Okay, Sand, we're still looking for that fifth wave swing. Still looking for that fifth wave swing. Sand is right now. I'm definitely really interested to see what happens when we get that breakthrough. Okay, I'm really excited to see what happens when we get that breakthrough because I can see Sand going close to $5 at the end of this month. That's my prediction. Just because also with the new alpha pass and everyone getting on that season 2, I think that this could have a nice little pump coming to the end of March and April. So we'll see how that does. Definitely want to keep an eye. Its Town Star is just dropping, guys. This is actually kind of crazy to see. And it would be a little sketchy to buy, right? Because it's just going down and down and down. It's just not really showing any positives. Axie Infinity, once again, still sitting right there where we bought. Okay, just testing this floor. And looks like we're definitely going to get it to come back up. And Axie Infinity is very. I'm waiting to see what Axie Infinity can do. But obviously, we're in this range bound between support and resistance. And I'm hopefully we keep it in that range bound and it doesn't drop below this floor. And hopefully, eventually, we can break through this resistance because once that happens, guys, we're looking for that third wave swing, that third big wave swing. As you can see, is that first big wave, second wave, and now we're expecting that third wave swing all the way to that 618. So we're expecting a huge upside swing by Axie Infinity if we can get that breakthrough. So Axie Infinity could be a huge profit if we can get that breakthrough that we're still just waiting. But we talked about Shiba and Doge, and we're right there in that breakthrough, guys. Look at Shiba. Give it another week or two, and we're going to see what that's going to happen. Same with Doge, guys. Look at this. You can see these key levels, this key support and resistance right here that price does not want to go through, and I'm waiting for this breakthrough. I'm waiting for this breakthrough with Doge, especially we talked about on Tuesday. Even this last week, I believe, too. We talked about Doge and all the stuff that's happening with Doge and with Solana, too, with the Ukraine's donations, right? Okay. Are we getting that breakthrough? Not fully. So we're still checking and keeping an eye on Solana until we get that breakthrough. I know Chainlink has been taking a little downswing right now, but Chainlink is looking to come back up and get back to where it originally was, okay, which I expected to get to $30 very soon here. All right. Now, HBAR looks like Hedera wants to start their they want to start staking, okay? They want to do staking on Hedera Hashgraph. So that's pretty interesting because a lot of people are there's a lot of holders on Hedera, and staking really, really could pump that coin and have more consumers. Okay, so that's another cool asset that Hedera is doing. Okay, staking. Everyone loves staking. So some people don't, but most people, some people love passive income. How can you not like passive income, right? Obviously, it's all comes down to security. But we were waiting for HBAR to get down to that around 15 cents. So we were waiting for that, and you can see it's still right here in this little falling wedge. Okay, so I'm expecting this falling wedge to get all the way down to that 15 cents or close to it at least. So we'll see. Maybe we can start seeing it come down here and start breaking through here. But as we get there, before that breakthrough, that's a good entry. Okay, great entry to get in Hedera. Because if it breaks through, we're definitely gonna get some profits, no doubt about it. But that's really much it. Nothing going on in the market, guys. couldn't really talk that much. Let's just see what's going on with Chronos now, because they changed their name to Chronos. Well, they got from crypto.com. So like you can see Chronos once again, okay, still between this resistance and this floor level right here. But we're expecting that fifth wave, okay? We're expecting that fifth wave, and right now it's not doing it, okay? It's not doing that fifth wave. So really we're just expecting price to come back down the floor and test this floor resistance until we get a breakthrough. So Chronos, it's just a patient game with Chronos right now. I've always been bullish on crypto.com. I've been bullish on it. I love the utility that's behind it and the marketing and push. So I've talked about that a few times now. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Not much of to talk about. I forgot to put my banner out. Jeez, Cam, come on now, get together. But anyways, not much to talk about, Mark, guys. Not a lot going on. We're still kind of in that sitting game and just waiting, right? But I really think the end of March is gonna in a month or 2 years, it's gonna really take off. Okay, so I'm very excited to look towards that, guys, because there could be some huge gains coming soon. But the news behind it backs everything up, man. We are starting to look at a new financial system of cryptos, and they want to start regulating it. And this is the future we have been talking about. Okay, so it's coming 2022. It's the rebirth, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Please make sure you like that button so we can post more videos for you guys. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. And check out our description below. Check out our Telegram link if you want to join. And our trade replicator, there's too. Doing great. We're over 150% for the year, so we're doing really great. So just check that out. It's in the description below. And I will see you guys next week on Tuesday for another altcoin season show. You guys, I'll see you then. Take care.